welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahar and today is going to be a lovely color story series. I did recently start a color story series on my channel where I post tutorials every Monday for one set of colors. So last week I did post a red themed color story tutorial, and now you might have guessed I'm posting a yellow one. I wasn't inspired by anyone, I'm sorry, it's the truth. I was in a clinic, I was getting a checkup, and I was writing down some video ideas, and I was like, I have this palette, why don't I, really get a use out of it and do a look every week on one of the color stories in this palette. So that's how it started. Anything that, if another series is exactly the same as mine, that's purely coincidental. This world is a really big world. Please read the description down below. If ever I do find any YouTubers who have the same kind of series, I will be linking them down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a like and subscribe if you are interested in anything I am ever posting. Okay, let's just get into it.
So I am just laying down a layer of the No Filter ColourPop No Filter Concealer just to give me a nice base for my yellow. We do really need a nice light base for the yellow to really pop, and I'm also doing this underneath my eyes and making sure that it's nice and blended. Now I'm putting a layer of the lightest shade in the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using this as my transition shade, and I'm just layering this up because it does need a little layering. Next, I'm going in with any of the two darker yellows in the same palette, and I'm putting that all over my lid. I'm also going to go with the yellow in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm concentrating that a little bit below the lid and at the outer edge of my eyes. I'm also taking the Morphe transition shade in, I believe it's called Define Me, and I'm concentrating that all over the crease, and then I'm bringing back some of that yellow that we brushed off just to intensify the yellow color. I'm intensifying the Define Me color all over the crease, just to make it a little bit deeper. And then now I am cutting the crease. I'm making sure that the cut is just slightly above my crease area, and I'm going to be doing a half cut crease for this look. And then I'm blending this part just to make sure it's not harsh later on. Then I'm layering a lot of the yellow shade in the BH Cosmetics palette. You need to layer a lot of this so that it can actually really pop. And then I'm going over the center to blend and make it look more seamless. I'm going over the very top with the Jolly Much shadow from ColourPop in the color Foxes to give it that pop of shimmer. And then now I'm using my Focallure liner to give me a nice wing, and it just puts the look together in a very good way.
Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm just going to be putting some foundation on and some lashes, and I'll be right back.
Now I'm going to be smoking out some of that yellow from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette underneath my eyes, and I'm layering over some of that Jaclyn Hill yellow in her palette. Then for the inner corner, I'm putting some Jelly Much eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting some of the highlighter I used. Next, I'm going in with the lipstick in the color Cowboy. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lippy. And then I'm layering the gloss over top.
For my foundation, I did use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. I do use the ColourPop No Filter to always set my eyes. I just find that this is a good eye setting primer. I did use the Infallible L'Oreal in Cowboy. And then for my concealer, I used the Age Rewind by Maybelline. I used the Sun Bronze, NYC Sun Bronze in O2 Sun Bronze for my bronzer because it's a very warm bronzer, and the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Apricot in the middle. It's very cute. It's also it's like a highlighter blush kind of blush. I use the highlighter in the Sculpt and Glow by Focallure. This is a dream. I love it. I do have a video of this, and I'll be linking it up there if you want to see that. My brow products are the products that my friend recently released. Her products are Kind Beauty. I use the pomade and the pencil to do my brows, and I'll be linking up hear a video that I did as well on these products, be sure to check them out. My scrunchie is from a friend, and I will be linking her Instagram down below. I did use the ColourPop Jelly Matte Shadow in the color Foxes for the shimmer on top of my eyes. And finally, I laid over the lippy with this gloss by ColourPop. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip from Shayla and ColourPop in the color Drippin'. Yo. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Excuse me, I keep burping. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up. If you did, give me a like. That's a thumbs up. Comment down below what color story I should do next. I do have a video on the lip. I used the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte lippies. I used Cowboy in the shade Cowboy. I do have a video up here swatching a few of those shades. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and comment down below what color story I should do next, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!